on this airline. So I'd like to be the first to welcome you to Wichita. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened as attached to the gate. Once you're at the gate and the captain turns off about seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening overhead bins. Items finished during flight could fall out. You can now use your cell phones if they're in reach, but please remain